And you brought all of your friends and family, too. Very cool. As a matter of fact, let's just take a second to thank the grown-ups who brought you to my place to celebrate your birthday today. Can we stand to our feet and show them some gratitude? Come on, everybody. Yeah, that's it. And now, a round of applause. A round of applause. There you go.
All right, put your hands like this.
Let's move on with the business at hand. Everyone take a seat, unless you're a birthday star. Since you are a very special guest today, the cast and I would like to treat you as royalty. Do we have the crowns?
Yeah!
Well, what are we waiting for then? Let's strike up the band and start the royal ceremony. I want to shake your hand and wish you a personal happy birthday myself. We're going to have some fun here before we get to lighting candles, making wishes and such. Are you ready to get loud? Get loud! Come on now, you can do better than that. Are you ready to get loud? That's more like it. Now we're going to have a little competition. I'm going to draw an invisible line right here to make two teams, okay? If you're over here on my right, you're going to shout, happy, and then clap your hands over your head like this. Let's try that. When I point to you, you say happy and... happy! That was great. Now, for you folks over here on my left, you'll shout birthday and clap your hands when I point to you. Ready? And... let's see who can be the loudest. And if you feel like it, you can stand up and be crazy. Okay? Here we go. Happy! Birthday! Terrific job, everybody. You're all awesome. Now it's time for some birthday star wishes. You may want to have those kids